guys, it's time for a huge unboxing video. These are PR packages, things that are in my mail. Let's go. Ooh, confetti. Could it be a book? Ooh. I have my pile over here, starting with one of my favorites, Dr. Jart. I think I know what this is. I think this is like my favorite mask, which you guys have seen before and I've spoken about. But let's see what's in here. And I was right, guys. This is the Dr. Jart rubber mask that I am obsessed with. You guys saw this in my Korea haul as well. Love these masks. They are like the best face masks. They are not like your thin sheet masks. They're like proper rubber masks and they are amazing. So thank you for this. I'm definitely using this today. Next, we have this black and white box. This is from Own Days. Lenskart always spoils me. Oh my god, these are so cool. Feel like very like teacher-ish in these. What do you guys think? Do I look like a teacher? Am I a teacher right now? A teacher with her fan. How beautiful is this fan? I'm gonna see this properly in the mirror, but I'm feeling very cool in them at least. Okay, we have something that I have ordered from Amazon because I don't think anyone will be sending me anything from Amazon. But what is it? What is it? Oh, this is interesting. It's for a video. Won't show you guys. Okay, next up. So, you know, I've actually ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon for my next to buy or not to buy video, which you guys will see before this, after this, I don't know when. But because I'm traveling, as you see this, we're shooting a lot of content together. So, you will see it all. Sat me. Okay, this has to be from my favorite girls at Benetton because no one else is going to send me a great pink box, I'm 100% sure. And I was right. Look at this, firstly. Look at this. How cool is this? They put me on a magazine cover of sorts. And this is their new Professional primer. And there's a powder also. Can't wait to try this, guys. Thank you. Something from Why So Blue. What have we got here? They always have the nicest stuff. And I love wearing their stuff. So, thank you guys for always spoiling me. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, so this is reversible. That's why I actually really love it. Like, you can wear it both ways, which I think is really cool. And I love clothes that kind of give me more wear, you know. And I love that it's a tie-up on the front because I'm in my bow era, as you know. So, 1 minute you could wear it like this. And then you can flip it like this. And it comes with a skirt, which is really cute. So it has a skirt option that you can wear together or you can just wear the waistcoat, which is why I love it. Thanks, guys. Okay, this is really cool. This is something with Ranveer Singh, obviously. I love the packaging. It looks like a giant candy bar, but it's, I'm guessing, a protein bar because it's talking about protein. But yeah, I love that it's bright orange and I love that it looks like a candy bar. Let's open it. Yes, I was right. This is Super U, which is a protein wafer, like a protein bar, I guess. VT will be very happy with this. Ta-da! Okay, that looks yum actually. Love the packaging. Thanks, guys. I think I am going to try one actually. What do we have here? This actually feels like a book. Could it be a book? Have I ordered a book? I've actually not read a book in a while. Shame on me. Ah! Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a beautiful calendar. This is from Rishu. She reached out to me. She's a children's book author and illustrator, and she's got such beautiful illustrations here on this. Love this. So she reached out to me and said, I want to send you my calendar. And I was like, yeah, I would love to have it on my desk. So thank you for this. And thank you for the lovely handwritten note as well. Okay, this big guy. I don't know what's in this big guy. Has a lot of plastic and this is a good bit daunting to unbox, but I got this. So while I unbox this, I actually want to talk to you guys a little bit about the documentary I referred to in my last favorites video. I mean, I know I asked you guys in that video and said comment below and tell me your thoughts because I'm conflicted, and I still am very conflicted because it made me think a lot. And honestly, even when I do these unboxing videos, I think 100 times because I'm like, oh, okay, like, should I do this? Should I not? Because nobody is really like paying me to do this or any of that. I just like to showcase a lot of the homegrown brands that send me stuff, and I feel like unboxings make everybody happy. Like, it's like Christmas morning where you're opening stuff, and like that was always the idea behind it. But of course, I am fully aware that it creates a lot of waste, and I don't accept every PR package that's sent to me either. I usually ask people what they're sending if they ask me. A lot of times people just send it without asking, which is different. Yeah, I mean, I thought it's a nice way to kind of give back to a lot of the young brands or homegrown brands or even the beauty brands that I work with, and for you guys to know what's new or, stuff like that. But yeah, it does leave me conflicted every time because I see the kachra after the video and I'm like, another unboxing video. Do we really need that on the internet? All of those things. So yeah, I always kind of battle that in my head. But then I still like the videos and I feel like, how else do you support brands in one video, right? Like, this is the best way to do it. So yeah, so let me know your thoughts, guys. I don't know, the future of unboxing videos. This is from Saki. Gonna open everything, and there are little hearts everywhere, which I do not want to lose because otherwise they will be all over this room and I will never find them. There's a candle. We have gently putting the hearts inside because I do not want this going under things. No. Can't lose a heart, guys. Confetti and all of these things are just like, once they go, then 10 saal tak kuch milta nahi hai ye room mein because it's always a mess. Gently dusting all the hearts back into the box, and then you'll see me. Okay, so we have a candle and we have some cool stuff. There's a nice, beautiful green and white tie-dye t-shirt, and this is actually really nice. Quite nice. Thank you, guys. What do we have in this one? Are you guys excited for Christmas? How many people here actually do you like celebrate with buying gifts and putting gifts under your tree and stuff? We don't do it with gifts under the tree, but I usually buy myself a Christmas gift every year because I feel I deserve it, and I feel all of you also deserve. So buy yourself a Christmas gift. We have got something. This is from Orange Moon. And it smells divine. They're candles, but they smell so good. Like, I want to eat everything. So yeah, thanks guys. This just smells so good. Speaking of Christmas, this looks like a Christmas package. Okay, this is obviously wine and I love it. Oh my God. This is going to be drunk very soon because daddy, mommy and me are going to tuck into one bottle each. Thank you guys. Okay, up next we have something from Dew. What do we have? Their products are actually really good. I've used a lot of their stuff and I've always liked it in the past. Ooh, confetti. Gotta be careful. It's come with this really cute pouch, which I think is going to be perfect for my camera more than my products. This is a soothing milky tonic. Okay, this is one of their new products. I've been seeing this on social media quite a bit. Haven't tried it and I can't wait to try it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want a review. I can do something for you. Okay, what do we have here? It's a nice big box. Laneige! Okay, so this is Laneige turning 6. Oh my God, this packaging reminds me of getting my sleeping mask made. They actually gave it to me in a packet like this, and that is exactly what is here. So yeah, this is taking me back to Korea. Chalo, chalte hain. Next year. So I'm actually planning more tours, guys, for those of you that are interested. I am definitely interested. But yeah, thanks for this, Lanesh, and happy 6th. Okay, what do we have here? This is from the chapter. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna try and open everything and take a look. Ooh, these look yum. Thanks, guys. This is making me want to go to Goa now. But yeah, it's a nice package that you can use everything with. Perfect for, you know, running your errands, everything. So thank you. So guys, those were all the packages that I had to unbox today. Let me know in the comments about your favorite package and your thoughts on PR unboxing videos. Should we do them? Should we not do them? 2025 is coming soon, and what do you want to see more of? Do you like the unboxing videos or do you not like the unboxing videos? Because I'm trying to do one a month, but if you don't like them, then maybe I can do them like once in a few months. Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still give it a thumbs up. Just comment below and tell me you don't want to see more unboxings and I will stop. I promise you. Or maybe not. See you guys. Bye.